Hey guys, my name is Ahmad. I'm a master's student in UCL studying space science and engineering, and today I'll tell you a little bit about my course and why I chose to study space science and engineering in UCL. So, watching some of the space shows as a kid, I looked at the sky and I wondered what if we could actually turn that science fiction into reality. One of the shows imagined what it would be like for humanity to move outside of the solar system, become a multi-planetary species. So after watching these shows, I looked at the sky and I wondered if we could actually make that, if we could actually turn that to a reality. So that was what initially drove me to researching more about space science and engineering. And then after doing some research, I considered different courses like astronomy, astrophysics, engineering. I ended up doing aerospace engineering in my undergraduate, and then I learned a lot about how to build spacecrafts, aircrafts, and how we send them up to space. But after having done that, I realized that my preferred area is the space science, is the engineering part in the space area, which is why I ended up doing masters in space science and engineering. I looked at the different options, and then the best option for me was to do that in UCL, not only due to its favorable location in London, but it's also one of the best or one of the top 10 ranked universities in the world. And in my current course, we learn a lot about how to deal with spacecrafts once they are up there. How do we communicate with them? How do we send data? And how do we integrate the systems to send these spacecrafts up to space? For example, one of my current projects in UCL is the European Space Agency project, Gaia. And Gaia is a mission tasked with building a 3D map of the galaxy, of the Milky Way galaxy. My current project revolves around assessing the radiation damage that occurred to Gaia throughout its mission life, which is around 10 years. Gaia is supposed to take pictures of space, and because it will spend a lot of time up there, it will be exposed to a certain degree of radiation, which will affect its instruments and its ability to take pictures of space. And my project revolves around assessing that damage. So having done that in UCL, I realized that this is not only science fiction, but it can be something that can be turned into an operational reality, which is what I'm learning in UCL. In case you're wondering, if you end up in UCL here, there's a plethora of projects that we work with that are in collaboration with the European Space Agency. So the projects that you will be able to work on are projects that will be directly applicable to real-life projects. So to summarize things off, my choice to study space science and engineering masters in UCL was not only due to its incredible location in the middle of London or to its high reputation among the top universities in the world, but it was also due to the nature of the projects that we work with, which is helping me achieve what once used to be science fiction. Thank you for watching.